Hello, and welcome to the Observability Heroes. My name is Rainer, I'm your host for today, and I'm also an observability nerd and a 20-year plus veteran in the whole field of application performance, monitoring, and now observability. But what are we talking about? What is observability? I put something together, and I don't want to look at it from a technical perspective. Well, we can do that later. But what do we really need of observability? What is it? Well, first of all, it's one word, 6 syllables, and it twists your tongue in no time. Try to say it 6 times in a row, and you know what I'm talking about. That's why it's also abbreviated with O11y, which basically says it's a word starting with O, ending with Y, and there are 11 letters in between. It's pronounced Ollie for short because O11y is not much shorter than observability. So that's for that. So this is observability from, stated from Captain Obvious. What observability also is something to watch the behavior of other things. Yes, if I want to observe something, I have the suspicion that it will not go right all the time, and I have to watch it and I have to observe it, the behavior or the outcome, to make sure everything's going the right direction. Yes, it sounds a little bit like an observer, and exactly that's what it is. And then, last but not least, it is dearly missed if you're running an IT system in 24/7 production and you don't have any insight in what you are doing or what the system is doing. And this is the moment when you realize, oh, I would like to know more about this from the inside, but you don't have the data. And coming to top 3 jobs in the field of observability. What are the top 3 jobs? Well, the first one is, performance troubleshooting. This is not a surprise. Observability is then needed if the system behaves in a way that it shouldn't, and you have to fix it. And that is mostly at times where you don't need it. And also when management is is breathing down your neck, is sitting behind you and checking if the system works, because if the system doesn't work, you're losing money. Or you're losing reputation. It's simply bad for business. So performance troubleshooting is the foremost reason for observability tools. And some learn the hard way. They have performance troubles, but they don't have any observability. Guess what? You're in scrambling mode. And that leads to emergency debugging. That's what you also do. The troubleshooting is one thing, and it leads to the debugging. And this is what, let's say, developers don't like to do at all. Debug code or systems that they haven't written or architected themselves in the middle of the night because management demands it and there was nobody else available. This is what the two main reasons, the two main jobs for observability solutions are: performance troubleshooting and emergency debugging. And the last one, operations is in charge of a system. They need data to monitor it and to set up the alerting. And this is also done with observability tools. And those are the top 3 jobs that have to be done with observability tools, or with observability in general, or what you need observability for. And that means that is observability, something that helps you to perform troubleshootings, to do emergency debugging, and to control a system in operations with monitoring data and alerting. And that's it for today. Tune in next time when we take a deeper look into how to do performance troubleshooting with observability, emergency debugging, and what do I need and why should I care? Thanks for watching. This is Rainer, and you can join me in the Observability Heroes community. We can talk about these things and, well, get things done for you, get jobs done for you in observability. See you next time. Bye.